Hello, today I want to demonstrate for you the importance of signing in to your OneSearch account and the benefits to being able to access your account and saved search results and things from your account later. So if you were to run a simple keyword search from our OneSearch browser line on the home page, that would open us up into the database. But let's do an advanced search because I want to show you a little funky glitchy thing. If we were to, you can see I haven't signed in yet. So if I was to run an advanced search, maybe I'm going to look at like the benefits of Skype on, I don't know, family communication. So we'll say family and communication and run a search. And I can narrow this down even further. I could say I'll just take articles and I just want 2 years, whatever, and then run a search. And that's what it's looking for. I got 1,000 results, and then I realize, oh, I never signed in. So I can't save anything, and sometimes I can't access the full record without signing in. So I can either click on there, sign in, or click on here, sign in. But now watch what happens. I've just created a complex search. So as I sign in and it prompts me to enter my login information, and I do that, when it returns to my search window, it's combined all of my terms here into one big fat thing, and it's a mess, and it says no records found because this isn't formulated right. So now I need to do this all over again. So this is also why it's so important to, let's do benefits and family and communication all over again. This is why it's so important to sign in first and then run my search. But here we go. We'll just do articles. We'll just do the last 2 years. Let's see what we get. Hopefully we still come up with 1,000 some results, and here they are. Now I've run this search. So as I've found ones that I like, I have clicked this little, so when you first get the search results, if I like this search or this result, this source, and it looks good, then I can click on this thumbtack and it'll save it up there, and it'll turn this yellow, and it will put a slash through the thumbtack, and it puts the little icon up here. And so I can save, whichever ones of these that I like that maybe I'm not sure, I don't have time to read them yet, but they sound good, and I can go back, or maybe I have read them and I know they're good and I want to make sure that I can find them again later. And then I have clicked on those, and they're in my little, see, I'm signed in because my name's there, and they're in my list. When I click on this, go to my favorites, again, it will list all of the sources that I have saved. And maybe I have done different searches for different classes. It'll save the results that I pulled out from those as well. And so those are saved in there. If I want to go to my account overall, I can see what loans I have outstanding, what fines I might owe, what things I've requested from Interlibrary Loan or CSU Plus, and if there are any blocks or messages, alerts, or anything like that on my account, I can access that and see what's up. In fact, if I have a fine or a fee, I can actually pay it online this way as well. So this is really, really helpful for accessing that. If you wanted to go to the search history, it'll show you what you've done while you've been logged in. But if you want to save them, you actually have to do another thing here. I'll show you. When we do this search, let's see, the search I just did, the search that I just did was this one. And if I want to save that query for later, I click on this right here. That means we're going to keep that combination of search terms in that way. So it's saved to my favorites. And then when I go back here to this search history, when it's the saved ones, that'll be in here. If I'm not signed in, or I don't save them, it's only looking at one session's worth of search history. These won't stay forever. But if I save the query, then it will save. Every time that I log in, I'm going to be able to access these things from any computer. Anytime I can log into my account, my OneSearch account, this way. So that's the basics of using your sign-in credentials and making sure that you keep this OneSearch account connected to your own personal profile. Thank you very much.